Namaste and welcome to our channel, my dear Java developers. Today, we are diving deep into a crucial topic for building robust applications, Spring Security Basics. In just 5 minutes, you will gain a solid understanding of how to protect your Spring Boot applications from unauthorized access. We will explore the fundamental concepts of authentication and authorization, learn how to configure a security filter chain, and understand how user details and password encoding work. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped to add basic security to your own projects. So, grab your virtual pen and paper, and let's secure our applications together. Whiteboard animation image, clean white background, dark marker handwriting. Show a whiteboard with authentication versus authorization as the concept heading. A simple diagram illustrates the flow. User authenticate. Who are you? Authorized. What can you do? Access resource. Below this, show a clearly boxed code snippet with Java syntax highlighting indicating a basic security filter chain configuration. Neat teacher handwriting. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a whiteboard with UserDetailsService and password encoder as the second key concept heading. A syntax diagram shows user, login, UserDetailsService, find user details, password encoder, verify password, authenticated user. Below this, a concise code example for an in-memory UserDetails manager and a crypto password encoder bean is presented in a box. Arrows point to important parts like encode. Clean educational style. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a complete practical Spring Boot Java program on a whiteboard. This includes a security demo application, main class, a web security config, security filter chain configuration, and a mycontroller, REST endpoints. The code layout is clean with line numbers, and key lines like request matchers, .hasRole, or HTTP basic are circled or underlined. A simple output example, access denied or hello, user, is shown below the code with an arrow. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a whiteboard split into two columns, the left side labeled common mistakes with 2 to 3 bullet points, each marked with a red X. Example, plain text passwords, overly broad permit all. The right side is labeled best practices with 2 to 3 bullet points, each marked with a green check mark. Example, use crypto password encoder, apply least privilege, understand CSRF. Hand-drawn style. No people. Landscape 16:9. Whiteboard animation image, white background, dark marker. Show a summary whiteboard with Spring Security Recap as the title, 4 to 5 key takeaways listed as numbered bullet points. Example, 1. Auth versus auths, 2. Security filter chain, 3. UserDetailsService and password encoder, 4. Role-based access. Include a keep coding motivational note at the bottom with stars. Clean, neat handwriting. No people. Landscape 16:9.